Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll focus on travel-friendly meal prep, how to stay on track with your nutrition when you're on the go. Whether you're traveling for work, vacation, or a weekend getaway, having a plan ensures you feel your best and avoid the stress of unhealthy last-minute choices. Let's start with the mindset. Travel isn't about perfection, it's about balance and preparation. With a little planning, you can enjoy flexibility while still fueling your body well. Step 1. Plan ahead. Before your trip, check if you'll have access to a fridge, microwave, or kitchen. This helps you decide what foods to pack and what you'll need to buy on arrival. Step 2. Pack smart snacks. Bring nutrient-dense, shelf-stable items like nuts, seeds, protein bars, jerky, rice cakes, and instant oatmeal cups. These are lifesavers during flights, long drives, or busy travel days. Step 3. Prep simple meals for travel days. Wraps, sandwiches, salads, or overnight oats travel well and keep you full for hours. If flying, pack your food in clear containers and bring utensils to make eating easy. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Traveling, especially by plane, can dehydrate you quickly. Bring a reusable water bottle and refill it regularly. Herbal teas and electrolyte packets are great add-ons. Step 5. Choose wisely at airports and rest stops. Look for protein-rich options like yogurt, salads, hard-boiled eggs, or grilled chicken bowls. Avoid sugary snacks or heavy fried foods that sap your energy. Step 6. Prioritize breakfast. A solid breakfast sets the tone for the day. Choose protein-based meals like eggs, oatmeal, or smoothies instead of pastries or fast food. Step 7. Book accommodations with kitchen access when possible. Even a small kitchenette can help you prep simple meals like eggs, rice bowls, or salads. Step 8. Grocery shop when you arrive. Stock up on basics: fruits, vegetables, bottled water, yogurt, nuts, and pre-cooked proteins. Having essentials on hand keeps you from relying on takeout for every meal. Step 9. Build flexible meals. Choose easy, no-cook combinations like hummus with veggies, tuna pouches with crackers, or wraps with lean protein and greens. Step 10. Plan eating times. Long travel days can disrupt your schedule, so aim to eat something every 3 to 4 hours to keep your energy steady. Step 11. Use a cooler bag or insulated lunchbox. These keep perishable items fresh for hours, perfect for road trips or long flights. Step 12. Balance indulgence and control. Vacations are for enjoyment, so allow for treats, but balance them with lighter, nutrient-dense meals. Think of it as 80% nourishing foods, 20% flexibility. Step 13. Stay active. Walking, stretching, or using hotel gyms helps digestion and maintains your energy while traveling. Step 14. Track how you feel. If certain foods make you feel sluggish or bloated, make note for next time. Travel meal prep is about learning what works best for your body. Step 15. Plan for your return. Before you leave, stock your freezer or pantry with ready-to-eat meals or staples so you can easily get back to your routine when you get home. Here's your quick recap. Pack nutritious snacks, plan simple portable meals, stay hydrated, and shop locally when you arrive. Meal prep for travel isn't about restriction. It's about having options that help you stay consistent and energized wherever you go. In the next lesson, we'll wrap up this section with tips for long-term consistency, how to maintain your meal planning routine no matter what life throws your way. Let's make healthy eating your travel companion.